Let's take a look at this example. We have y cubed minus 5y squared plus 6y minus 30. So looking at this, we can use factoring by grouping. So we're going to group the front two and the back two terms together. So on the front, y cubed minus 5y squared, we can factor out a y squared. So let's factor out y squared. Then we're left with y minus 5. Then in the back, we can divide out a 6, so plus 6, and we're left with y minus 5. So what's really important when you do factoring by grouping is that when you're taking a look at it, these terms in here need to be the same exact values, okay, the same binomial. So now that we've done that, we can take y squared and 6 and write that as one term. So now this is, or one binomial, so this is y squared plus 6, and it's multiplied to y minus 5. Then you take a look if you can factor out this front one, and we can't, so we're going to leave it at it as is, and so this is completely factored. So if you recall, this is just distribution, and remember with distribution you can always go the other direction as well, so that is what is happening here. Let's take a look at number 19. So we have c to the fourth plus 9c squared plus 20. It looks like a quadratic, and so let's go ahead and do it that way. We can write this out instead as c squared and c squared, and what multiplies to 20 that adds to 9, and that is 4 and 5. So we have c squared plus 4 and c squared plus 5, and we are done. That is all you have to do with that. Those don't factor any more than it does. Let's take a look at one last example. Number 21, 16z to the fourth minus 81. This should remind us of like the difference of squares. And so again, if we square root the front and square root the back, let's start with that. And square root of 16 is 4z squared, and square root of 81 is 9. And then you write it just with opposite signs in the center. Okay, so conjugates. And we take a look at the front half. Can we factor that more? Yes, we can. We can do the difference of squares again. So we're going to take the square root of that. Square root of 4z squared is 2z, and then 9 is 3. So 2z minus 3, 2z plus 3, and then this one we cannot factor, so we're going to leave it as 4z squared plus 9. And so this is completely factored. I hope this helps, and thank you for watching.